friends, welcome back to the mini video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys screen color setting, how to disable. Guys, you can see that this screen color is different in your Redmi phone, and when you want to disable this setting, so guys, how can you disable? So as we call it guys, color correction setting, and guys, you want to disable your color correction mode in your Redmi phone. So when how to disable today, I will show you in this video. So guys, today video title is how to disable color correction. So time to start video fan, we will on our phone setting. After on phone setting is you can see this type of setting in your Redmi phone. So I scroll it. Friends, you can see guys phone additional settings. So guys you will have to click on your phone additional setting guys, additional setting, tap here. Guys scroll it again. Guys you can see your accessibility setting guys, tap here. Guys you can use your phone accessibility setting from here. I scroll it friends, you can see color correction guys, tap here. Then you will have to click on this icon, then guys your color correction will off in your Redmi phone guys. You can see your color correction is disable, so there is no any different color in our Redmi phone guys. You can see everything is fine. So like that guys, if you want to disable your color correction, you can disable. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.